Assalamu alaikum. If you're watching this, you probably feel it. That spiritual heaviness, that sense that something is off. Maybe your Rizq feels tight. Marriage seems blocked. Kids aren't coming. Or you're just exhausted for no physical reason. Before you think you need to travel to find a sheikh or pay someone hundreds for spiritual healing, let me tell you something the Prophet taught us. You can heal yourself. This is the Ruqyah RECITE, a complete step-by-step using nothing but Quran, prophetic du'as, and one simple sunnah ingredient. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what to do, why it works, and how to do this starting tonight. Let's begin. First, what is Ruqyah? Ruqyah is a spiritual healing method taught by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It means to recite specific verses and du'as from the Quran over yourself or someone else too. Remove spiritual heaviness, break Sihr, which is magic or sorcery, protect from the evil eye, heal emotional pain and trauma, strengthen your heart, bring peace and mental clarity, and increase Barakah and Rizq in your life. The Prophet said, "There is no harm in Ruqyah as long as it does not involve shirk." Sahih Muslim 2200. Ibn al-Qayyim, in his famous book Prophetic Medicine, said that Ruqyah is like medicine for the soul. Just like you take antibiotics for infection, you recite Quran for spiritual illness. And here's the beautiful part. You don't need anyone else to do this for you. Yes, there are cases where you might need a scholar or someone experienced. But for most of us, for heaviness, for blockages, for protection, you can do this yourself. Allah hears you, your voice, your heart, your tears. So let's get into the exact method. Step 1. Purify yourself, both physically and spiritually. Make wudu, but don't rush it. As you wash each part of your body, make intention in your heart. Yeah, Allah, I'm washing away tiredness. I'm washing away blockages. I'm washing away fear. I'm washing away any harm that I can't see. The Prophet said that when a Muslim makes wudu and washes their face, every sin they committed with their eyes is washed away. When they wash their hands, every sin of their hands is washed away. Sahih Muslim 244. Physical wudu prepares you, but spiritual wudu, the intention behind it, is what opens the door. After wudu, sit in a quiet, clean space. Turn off distractions. Face the Qibla if you can. And now you're ready for step 2. Recite the Prophet's Ruqyah set. This is the exact set that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used for protection, illness, fear, sihr, and spiritual heaviness. Here's what you'll recite. 1. Surah Al-Fatihah 1 to 3 times. The opening chapter, the greatest surah in the Quran. The Prophet said there is nothing like it. It's called the healing. Sahih Bukhari 5007. 2. Ayatul Kursi, verse 2 to 255. The greatest verse in the Quran. The Prophet said whoever recites this before sleeping, Allah will send a guardian to protect them until morning. Sahih Bukhari 2311. 3. The last 2 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah 2285-286. The Prophet said, whoever recites these 2 verses at night, they will suffice him, meaning protection, provision, and peace. Sahih Bukhari 5009. 4. Surah Al-Ikhlas, chapter 112. The Prophet said this surah is equal to 1/3 of the Quran. It affirms Tawheed, the oneness of Allah. 5. Surah Al-Falaq, Chapter 113. This is your shield against evil eye, envy, Sihr, and darkness. 6. Surah An-Nas, Chapter 114. This is your shield against whisperings, both from Jinn and from within your own nafs. Together these 6 recitations form a spiritual armor. The Prophet, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, would recite these every single night. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, narrated that before sleeping, he would cup his hands, recite these, blow into his hands, and wipe his entire body, starting from his head. Sahih Bukhari 5017. So that's exactly what we'll do next. Step 3. Blow and wipe. After you finish reciting, cup your hands together like you're holding water. Bring them close to your mouth. Blow softly into your hands, not spitting, just a gentle breath. Now wipe your hands over your face, your head, your chest, your arms, your entire body, as much as you can reach. As you do this, visualize. You're wiping away what eyes cannot see: heaviness, fear, negative energy, spiritual harm. The Prophet, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, did this every single night. This is sunnah. This is medicine. And while you're doing it, you can add this beautiful dua. O Allah, heal my heart, lift my heaviness, remove every harm from me, and open the doors of my rizq. Say it slowly. Mean every word. Now, let's add the power boost. Add these 4 powerhouse duas. These transform your Ruqyah from basic to deeply spiritual and effective. Dua 1. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. Allah is sufficient for us, and He is the best disposer of affairs. This is the dua Ibrahim said when he was thrown into the fire. This is the dua the Prophet said when people warned him about his enemies. Sahih Bukhari 4563. Say this when you feel outnumbered, when you feel pressure, when you feel like everything is against you. Dua 2. Bismillahilladhi la yadaru mazmi shay'an fil ardi, wala fis samai wa huwas samil alim. In the name of Allah, with whose name nothing in the earth or heaven can cause harm, and He is the all-hearing, all-knowing. The Prophet said, whoever says this 3 times in the morning and evening, nothing will harm them. Sunan at Tirmidhi 3388. Say it 3 times. This is your iron wall. Dua 3. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. There is no power or strength except with Allah. The Prophet said, this is a treasure from the treasures of paradise. Sahih Bukhari 4205, Muslim 2704. This dua breaks spiritual blockages, mental fog, laziness, weakness. It reminds you, I have no power on my own, but with Allah, I can do anything. Dua 4. The anxiety removal dua. O Allah, I seek refuge in you from worry and sadness, from weakness and laziness, from cowardice and miserliness, from being overcome by debt and overpowered by men. The Prophet would say this regularly. Sahih Bukhari 6369. This dua removes anxiety, sadness, and rizq tightness. Recite all 4. Blow, wipe, feel the shift. Now, the final step, and this is the one many people don't know about. It's the Sidr leaf Ruqyah. This method comes from Ibn al-Qayyim, Ibn Baz, and major scholars. It's specifically used for Sihr, severe evil eye, envy, and deep spiritual heaviness. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Take 7 Sidr leaves. You can buy these online or at halal Islamic stores. They're also called lote tree leaves. Step 2. Crush them into small pieces. Not powder, just break them up. Step 3. Put them in a bowl or jug of water. Step 4. Recite over the water Al-Fatihah, Ayatul Kursi, Surah Al-Fatihah, Falaq, Nas, and the 4 du'as we just covered. Step 5. Drink 3 sips of the water. Step 6. Use the rest to wash your body, especially your head, chest, and back. Do this in the bathroom. Pour it over yourself like you're doing ghusl. The Prophet and the scholars used this method for breaking strong spiritual effects. It's in the Sunnah. It's tested. It works. Do this once or for 3 to 7 days if needed. So here's your full Ruqyah reset. Step 1. Make wudu with intention. Step 2. Recite the Prophet's set, Fatihah, Ayatul Kursi, last 2 of Baqarah, Ikhlas, Falaq, Nas. Step 3. Blow and wipe your body. Step 4. Add the 4 power du'as. Step 5. Optional Sihr leaf water. Do this every night for 3 to 7 days. You don't need an expert. You don't need a sheikh. You don't need to pay anyone. You need your wudu, your Quran, your voice, and your heart. Watch how the heaviness lifts, your mind clears, your heart softens, and Rizq opens in quiet, surprising ways. Allah is as Shafi, the healer, and He hears every word you whisper. Start tonight. If this helped you, share it with someone who's struggling. Save it for when you need it again. And drop a comment below. Let me know if you're starting this today. May Allah heal your heart, lift your burdens, and open every door of goodness for you. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.